What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP coming y'all with another how-to. And today we got a 2005 basic Ford F-150. We're going to be taking this radio out and putting in the new one. Now, if this is your first time tuning in to the channel, please consider subscribing because this is what we do here. Car audio tutorials, radio removals, Q&As, all that good stuff. Without further ado, we're going to go ahead and take this radio out. Now, one thing that you should use your panel removal tool, but I know I can come here and put my finger up under here because it's only held in by clips. Now these hoes is in there. Boom. Y'all see that? You want to talk about simple. Now, if one thing that you will need to know, these will stay in there. A couple of them. Some of them will stay on the kit. Some of them will stay in there. It is all good. All you need is a good pair of pliers and you'll just pull those out, put it back on the tabs right here, and then it'll go back. Now, since we got that done, we really don't need to take it off, just move it out the way. We got 4 7mm, 1 2 3 4 on the other side, and guess what? It's about to be the easiest thing y'all done all day. Now that I got those 7mm out, all I'm gonna do is pull this out. Oh. Take that out, push that little pin in and pull up on the harness. Boom. All right, like I told you, easy. Now let's go ahead and go over here to this test bench and get our radio prepped for installation. All right, y'all, so this is the 99-5815 dash kit that we're using, and I will have all these links in the description: radio, wire, harness, all that type of stuff. In order to put this on, all right, so what you want to do is you take the right one, go on the right side, slide that part in, make sure these pieces right here are behind, and then boom. And then that's going to look like that. We're going to do the same thing to the left side, and they are marked. One says R for right, one says L for left. Y'all gotta bear with me. I am doing this with two hands. I mean with one hand. Alright, so that snaps into place. Alright, so we will be using these two to mount our radio back into the cavity where it came from. So we don't need these tabs, they're just going to get in the way. So we're going to cut off both of these on each side. And I'm just going to use my little crimper cutter things and just get to cutting. No particular way on doing this, just get them off of there. Go. Doesn't have to be too pretty, we're never going to see it. Now you just want to slide this over your radio. Boom, like that. And then we want to take the deck screws that came with the radio and we want to screw them into our holes like this. I usually put 2 on the right, 2 on the left side. All right, y'all, so you see 2 on the right, 2 on all right, y'all, so you see 2 on the left, 2 on the right. We got this thing mounted. Let's go ahead and get it back in the car. I told you it's about to be easy. All right, so we back in the car. We have everything wired up, Bluetooth ran, all that. If this is your first time here, you're probably thinking, dude, it was all going good until this part because you did not show us how to wire up this radio. Well, the reason I don't do that anymore is because I have over 150 different radio removal and CD player install videos, and I like to keep things short and sweet, straight to the point over here, and that adds an extra 5 to 10 minutes to explain all of this whole little situation here. But what I have done is I have made one video that goes over basically show you how to wire up a radio. I go over what each individual wire means, and I understand that there are different cars, but when it comes to wiring up a CD player, this application stays the same because you have factory wire colors right here that don't match this up directly. So you have to get the harness, and once you get the harness, this part is what you really need to understand, and I go over that, connections and all that. So let me go ahead and put this thing in so I can see what it's all look like when it's all said and done. All right, y'all, so that's what it looks like when it's all said and done. If you guys found any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. These links will be in the description. Until next time, it's your boy JP signing out.